As the industry's leading source of solutions for tile installations, Schluter-Systems is committed to providing education on the latest theories in tile setting techniques and methods. We offer a completely revamped workshop program where you will find our popular innovation workshop presented in two separate information-packed sessions, Part 1 and Part 2. Both courses are 2 days and are free to attend for industry professionals. Part 1 will introduce you to the world of Schluter-Systems and give you a solid overview of the applications where our products are most often used. We'll talk a little bit about the history of our company, dive into the science behind our technologies, and explain how our product line has been designed to address specific challenges. Part 1 will engage you in theory-based classroom discussion and then get you into our hands-on area to install our products firsthand in a fun, collaborative environment.
The part that I love about it is the classroom part, but also the implementation of watching and actually physically doing the work. So you can really not just listen to it, but experience it firsthand. And I think that's a big key of what you guys do from any other workshop I've attended.
There's old conventional methods that are kind of hard to change, but after getting the education of the new way to do things, we're willing to change the things that we do.
Learn how to prevent tiles from cracking using Schluter-Ditra. Provide effective moisture management using Schluter-Curdy, and more while assembling a Schluter shower system.
Really learned how to solve some problems that we were having. I felt like I came away today with learning what those solutions are.
It's hard to get away. It's hard to get away from the office and all the jobs, but what we learned here is going to make my company more money, and it's going to benefit my customers more.
Call your rep and get out here. As soon as possible, find out when the next workshop is and really, get into it.
Definitely worth it, and I recommend it to anyone out there.
If you're ready for more once you've completed Part 1, we invite you to attend Part 2. To participate in Innovation Workshop Part 2, you must first have completed Part 1 of the series. In Part 2, you will build upon your fundamental knowledge of Schluter-Systems products and discover how they can be used in more advanced applications. In this predominantly hands-on 2-day workshop, you get to show us your resourcefulness while exploring the versatility of our products. You will spend most of your time in the hands-on area of our workshop, where you will build a bathroom using multiple products and design elements.
It was much more advanced than the basic class. We had some hands-on with the new materials.
I would definitely recommend a Part 2 workshop because of the simple fact that there is more hands-on detail work, and I'm a hands-on kind of guy. That's how I like to learn.
Build a custom vanity and tub surround using Schluter-Curdy board. Install a Schluter-Curdy line drain in a barrier-free shower. Accent a bathroom vanity using select profiles. Work with Ditra heat, and so much more.
In previous workshops, we've talked about Curdy and Ditra a lot, but we got, I guess, a better look in the window at the other applications and other products.
I don't think I'm doing another traditional shower, ever. There's just too many things that can go wrong, and just don't see any reason to ever build one again.
Each workstation will inspire collaboration and creativity, as they will be fitted with various building components, so that no two projects will be the same. Schluter-Systems innovation workshops are offered year-round and in a variety of locations throughout North America. In both courses offered, our experts will provide you with answers and alternatives to overcome the most challenging obstacles. We provide a hands-on experience for participants to get their hands dirty and actually apply the strategies and techniques discussed in the classroom. The informative and energetic atmosphere fosters professional development and networking opportunities. It's a great chance to hear what others are doing in the field, and also allows for others to learn from you and your experience.
You meet people from all over that have circumstances that you never dealt with, and have also worked with materials that I've never worked with, have experiences that we share, common interests, so it helps a lot.
So people can learn new things even from other installers. You know, with them coming here and working together and pretty much giving each other tricks of the trade really helps everybody all the way around.
Professionals from all aspects of the tile industry will benefit from this engaging and comprehensive experience. We'll make sure you're comfortable once you've arrived. All you have to do is make the time to come and see us. We invite you to be our guest for a couple of days and experience our innovation workshops. It's easy to register. Simply visit www.schluterevents.com. Find your location and sign up for the next workshop in your area.
This class made me a lot more confident, and I think it'll be, it's a huge asset.
All I can say is that every time I've been to a Schluter class, they put on a really professional class, treat everybody extremely well, only positive remarks.
We hope to see you there.